If Google Chrome is showing the error address unreachable error on Windows 10, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back online quickly. This issue usually happens because of a bad DNS cache, a router problem, a corrupted Chrome host cache, or a VPN or proxy setting that is interfering with your connection. So, let's go through each fix in the right order and get this solved. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is flush the DNS cache. Sometimes Windows stores outdated network data that can block Chrome from reaching certain websites, even when your internet is working fine. To do this, click the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type CMD into the search bar. When Command Prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the command needs admin permission to work correctly. Once the command prompt window opens, type the first command, ipconfig/flushdns. After typing it, press Enter. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears out old cached address data and gives your computer a fresh start. Next, type the second command, netsh int IP reset. Then press Enter again. This command resets important TCP/IP network settings on your computer. It can help fix deeper network issues that may be causing Chrome to display the unreachable address error. After that command finishes, close the command prompt window. Now restart your computer. This step matters because it allows Windows to fully apply the network reset changes. Once your PC boots back up, open Chrome and try reloading the web page again. In many cases, that alone will fix the issue. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to power cycle your router. This is especially useful if the error is happening on more than one device connected to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. That usually means the router's routing table may be locked up or stuck. To do this, unplug the power cable from the back of your wireless router or modem, then wait exactly 30 seconds. Don't rush this part because the wait gives the capacitors enough time to fully drain and properly reset the network hardware. After 30 seconds, plug the power cable back in. Now give it about 1 to 2 minutes to fully reboot until the internet lights turn solid green or return to normal. Once the router is back online, open Chrome again and test the site one more time. If the error is still there, we'll move to the next Chrome-specific fix. Chrome also keeps its own internal DNS cache, and sometimes that cache becomes corrupted even when Windows itself is fine. So now we're going to clear Chrome's host cache. Open Google Chrome and click in the address bar. Then copy and paste this address exactly, chrome//netinternals/DNS. Press Enter and Chrome will open its internal DNS settings page. On that page, look for the button labeled Clear Host Cache and click it. This clears Chrome's stored DNS records and forces the browser to request fresh address information. After that, restart Chrome completely. Make sure you close all Chrome windows and open the browser again so the cache reset fully takes effect. Now test the website again. If you're still getting error address unreachable, the last thing to check is whether a VPN or proxy is enabled. VPNs and proxies can sometimes route traffic in a way that blocks certain sites or causes Chrome to fail when trying to reach a page. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try the website again. If you have a proxy turned on, disable it as well in your Windows network settings. Sometimes a proxy is left on without you realizing it, and it can interfere with normal browsing. After disabling both, relaunch Chrome and check the site one more time. By now, one of these fixes should have solved the problem. In most cases, flushing the DNS cache, resetting the network stack, clearing Chrome's host cache, or disabling VPN and proxy settings will get Chrome working again on Windows 10. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes, useful software tips, and easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.